It's on, but I want to do it.
There it goes.
Can I
Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Hey, Dad, can I do it? Hi. I want to put
Yeah, you got to get my phone out and take a look at the thing, and you can see what you're recording. So can you get my phone out? Don't drop my hat. Get my phone out of the bag.
Lucas, give me the hat.
It's recording right now.
Lucas, give me my hat. Give me Dad's hat. Lucas, give me Dad's hat.
Look
Son.
at the duck. Over here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, it's going to come
Put
over
my
and say
phone out
hi
of
to
the bag.
us.
Check it.
Hi, Ducky. Roxanne.
That definitely looks like a duck in the bed. Yeah, he's looking for some goldfish crackers. Are you getting the phone out?
Yeah. Oh no, he's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back.
Did you turn the camera off?
No.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's still gone. Come back to us.
Turn it off for a second.